Hi guys, Saurav Malve from Pune. He started learning stock market under Pathfinders about 3 years ago. He is a computer engineer and now he earns about 3 lakh rupees a month sitting at home, and he has decided not to pursue a career.
Hello, good day to you. My name is Saurabh and I am a student at Pathfinders Trainings. I found out about Pathfinders Trainings about 3 years ago, and ever since, the education which I have received from them has helped me evolve into a professional and disciplined trader. Now, when you look at the stock market, everyone hopes to make money. Now, that is where you're at fault. At Pathfinders Trainings, you're taught to make your trades based on probabilities, not on possibilities of hope. At Pathfinder's trainings, you are trained to become a rule based, process driven, and fearless trader. Proper education is a must, but the measure of success for any trader is to be disciplined to achieve consistency. Pathfinder's trainings helped me to build a portfolio which gave a return of more than 40% in the year 2020. They also provide a derivatives course which will help you to trade contracts such as futures and options. All of these courses will have live trading, which will help you to learn and practice through online webinars, so it's comfortable for you to learn at your own home. If you miss a webinar due to personal life situations, then you'll always get a recording which you can watch it later. So, Pathfinder's trainings will help you to become a professional and disciplined trader. Pathfinder's trainings also has a dedicated team which can help you with your questions and doubts about the stock market, which is very convenient. They can also help you to open a trading account from the comfort of your home. In the month of November 2021, I could make a return of 15% on my capital in that month alone. I owe my success to Pathfinder's trainings for educating me as well as practicing live trading through online webinars. So, your road to financial independence begins at Pathfinder's trainings.
Stock market can be a very good second source of income or even a first source of income. So why don't you learn it? In Pathfinders, more than 5,500 people have passed out in the last 12 years. Many of them have become full-time traders. Some build good portfolios, and I have traders who make about 10% a month trading futures and options. And in the last month of every year, I give a year-end offer so that those who missed it, they can buy at a discounted price before the price goes up. Our online lifetime course, the fees is changing from 47,000 to 49,000 from 1st of January. Every year it is increased by 2,000 rupees as per the inflation, but it is your chance to get it at the old price. Not only at the old price, it is your chance to get a 20% discount. And I assure you that the fees that you will be paying with the training, within 3 to 6 months, you will recover it back. Not only that, there is a 10 time, I repeat, there is a 10 time multiplier effect that you will be getting. Learn stock market. We should always have a second source of income, and nothing better than the stock market. Come and grab the offer. Click on the link below, put the offer code, and the offer at a discounted price is yours. It is Yogeshwar Vashishtha welcoming you to come into the exciting field of stock market.